This is what we got going on for today. Got a lot of stuff here. Windshield wipers, spark plugs, fuel filter, tailgate shock, to even just seeing if I can have some programmable keys so I can unlock and lock my truck. First thing to get started with is going to be the windshield wipers, like the list says. So we're going to go ahead and take those old windshield wipers off and put some new ones on. Go ahead and pop these open. Again, this is just from Rock Auto. Get basically any part that I need from there. There's 4 screws. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up to the hose clamp to the mass sensor. Well, this don't look like it needs replaced, but since I already got it, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. So I keep track of all the mileage of when I replace something. Pulling out the airbox itself, because there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. So I'm just dump that out. Get rid of it. I actually rinsed this out and dried it with some paper towels and sprayed some compressed air up in there. So I'm gonna just pop this back in. There we go. And drop this new air filter in. So with that back in, I just went ahead and cleaned this up. I believe it's to make sure that your filter's not clogged, which mine was not. Next, we're changing the spark plugs. I'll get you a better shot of what I'm doing. So right there is the spark plug wires. 1, 2, and 3. 3 of them right there. So I'll be going in and popping off those and taking the spark plugs out. It's really just a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket. This has got a magnet inside to hold it instead of those rubber grommets that get stuck. Since I got that boot off, I wanted to give you a look at where the spark plug's at. So that right next to the exhaust is the spark plug. There's the other location where the spark plug wire is still connected. It's gonna be hard to see where I'm working because I'm probably gonna get in the way. Doesn't look too bad. But definitely glad I'm changing them out. And they're just auto light. Yeah, glad I'm changing them out. Being more of a Honda boy, I go NGK anything. You just put this in here and thread it in. I'd be here forever if I didn't use this. I will repeat the process on the two others on this side and then move to the other side. I just wanted to show this. It got stuck on there because of all the rust. So what I did was clamped in the vise. This will show. Took just an extension, tapped right here, and then just pulled. They're all in now. Spark plugs have been changed. Torque spec is 11 to 13 foot-pounds, so got those situated. Now about to change the wires, so I just took off the intake pipe from the mass airflow sensor in the throttle body to be able to access the wires that are back here. I was trying to be careful, but with the other one, I was spreading it and then grabbing onto the tab that fold, trying to pull it off as gentle as I could. Follow it up. These will just match up, and that's like the same length. Let's say this the one. I'm gonna switch this over. It's just a little protector. Switch that over. Put some dielectric grease on both sides, and then route it back how it went. Using the hose pliers to try and help it through, spread it. So I got them all installed and routed back how they should be. But this, like spark plug wire that takes it from the ignition coil to the distributor that's back there where all the coils connect to, like the connector wouldn't stay on one of the ends, so I had to mess with that a bit, push it out so that it was sticking out, and then press it onto this side. And then the other side was fine, but it's tucked under right here. But it's ready to get started. Make sure that we did everything right. No check engine light, so I think we're good. You might be asking yourself, JP, where's the rest of the footage? There's like 5 other things left that you didn't film. Well, starting from the top, cabin air filter. My truck, for some reason, they didn't put a cabin air filter in them. Like, only a certain few didn't get a cabin air filter. So that's why that's not there. Key fobs. Since I didn't have one, I can't program more. Didn't know that to begin with. So, can't do that. Have to go to a locksmith or the dealership to get those programmed. The tailgate handle, not even gonna lie, didn't even record it because it was like a 5-minute thing. So edited down, it would have been like 2 minutes or a minute. So don't have that. The strut, it was late at night. I got terrible footage. Phone was dying. Lights were dying. And it was just bad. And then the fill filter, didn't change that because it looks somewhat brand new. So I'm just going to keep that around until I think I need it. So that's that.